again, so I just snowblowed the driveway, and yeah, and look how much more snow it's came down to. So a lot of snow. There's quite a few inches in that one, that's for sure. So and it's still snowing since this morning, all day today. So there you go. You want to know crazy weather? This is your crazy weather. I took some pictures. I'll put them up on Facebook. So there you go. You can hear all the wind. Trees. So this is March 8th. Ish. Yeah. And this is about around 6:30, I would say. So yeah. Hello, winter. So there you go. Snow.